Teacher Lorna, may you have more birthdays to come, and I pray that God will bless you more and more.
Happy birthday, Teacher Lorne. I wish that all your dreams will come true. Teacher Lorne, Jack, I am Mayan. We have many more birthdays to come. Siyempre, God bless. Birthday, Teacher Lorna. More birthdays to come. Love you, Ma. Teacher Lorna, happy birthday. Wish you good health, more blessings to come, and good relationships sa mga teachers din. Hi, bye-bye. Hello, and happy birthday. God bless. Teacher Lorna, I love you. Happy birthday and God bless. Bye.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Teacher Lorna.
Ano?
Happy birthday, Teacher Lorna.
Oh. Birthday, Teacher Lorna. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Teacher Lorna. Hi, Teacher Lorna. Happy birthday. Pag tinanong na sa imong life, isa-isa lang ang uyab. Happy birthday, Lord. Kumusta akong buhay-buhay dira? I wish hindi more blessings to come. Kaya daghan na nag-aingon na more blessings to come. Pero sana ma-appreciate mo na lang yung mga blessings na darating sa iyo.
Go.
Happy birthday, Teacher Lorna. I can see God working in you. And I pray that He will bless you more, not just emotionally, sa love life, but more so spiritual and sa physically with good health. I love you. God bless you.